Assalamu alaikum. Please be upon you. My name is Arnika Tabassum Rodoshi. You can call me Rodoshi because it is my nickname. I read in class 6 of Tulibhanda Nasiruddin Government Girls High School. I live at Dologram. Today I tell about my family. I have a beautiful family. I love all my family members. There are 5 members in my family. There are my father, mother, brother, grandmother, and myself. My father is an army, and my mother is a housewife. My father work is very hard. Father work is very hard for my family members. My mother cook for all of us. My mother help us in my homework. My grandmother tell me very beautiful story. I love my grandmother very much. We love to spend time with each other. All my family members are very respect, caring, support and supported. We at dinner together every evening. I am proud of my family members. I love my family members very much. Thank you everyone. See you later. Bye.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম। তো রোদসী যে বলেছে সে কিন্তু আসলে প্রথমবার এসেছে এবং রোদসী বেশ কিছু ভুল করেছে, আমরা বলেছি টেন্সের ভুল করেছে। তো 6-এর স্টুডেন্ট এবং তার অনেক আগ্রহ আছে এবং আমরা বিশ্বাস করি এই ভুলগুলো থেকে অনেক ফুল বের হয়ে আসবে। তো রোদসী অনেক ধন্যবাদ। আসসালাম।